Someone tells you that you have mold and you need professional remediation. Maybe you do. Maybe you need a bottle of mold and mildew remover and a sponge. Here's how to tell the difference, because the line is not as complicated as the industry wants you to think. I'm Jason Hammond. I've dealt with mold in my own houses, and I've managed the investigation when it turned out to be serious. The EPA's guidance gives you the rule: less than 10 square feet total, roughly 3 feet by 3 feet, is generally DIY territory. More than that, or mold in certain locations, is a professional call. Here's how to use that. First, where is it? Mold on bathroom tile grout around a sink faucet base on a shower curtain. That's surface mold feeding on soap scum and humidity. Spray it with a mold cleaner, scrub it, improve ventilation. It will come back if you don't fix the humidity, but cleaning it is not a professional job. Now look at wood. Framing, joists, subfloor, sheathing. Mold on structural wood has often been there longer. It's harder to clean completely, and it usually signals a moisture source that isn't fixed yet. That's when you want a pro to assess it. Second, what's behind it? Mold on the face of drywall is often a symptom of mold on the paper backing, where the real food source is. If you scrub the face and the mold comes back within days, it's behind the drywall. At that point, the drywall comes out, and you need to know what's been feeding moisture into that wall cavity before you close it back up. Third, HVAC involvement. If you see or smell mold inside the air handler, on the coil, in the ducts, or in the supply registers, that is a professional call every time. Mold in an HVAC system gets distributed throughout every room in the house every time the system runs, and cleaning ductwork is not something a scrub brush and a ladder can reach. Fourth, the musty smell with no visible mold. This is the scenario that makes people think they don't have a problem because they can't see it. A persistent musty smell in a basement, crawl space, or closed room usually means the mold is somewhere you're not looking, inside a wall, under the flooring, in insulation. Get someone with a moisture meter in there before you decide you're fine. Bottom line, surface mold under 10 square feet, especially in a bathroom. Clean it yourself and fix the ventilation. Mold on structural wood, behind drywall, in the HVAC, or a smell with no source. That's a professional assessment before you touch anything. If you've got something in front of you and you're not sure which it is, I'll tell you for $9.99. HammondReengineered.com/report.